What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you best free parental control apps for Android. So if you're trying to keep your kids' Android phone's activity in check without spending money here, there are actually 3 really good free parental control apps that you could try. So in this case, what are those apps here? Well, the first app that I could actually suggest you try using here is going to be Safe Lagoon. Now, what's cool about this one is that it actually lets you set smart schedules. So you can actually control when your child can use their phone, say like block it during homework time or bedtime here. It also filters out bad content automatically, and it can even gives you real-time location tracking. So if you want to keep your kids safe without hovering, or well, in this case, this app gives you just enough control. Now, if your main concern here is knowing where your kids is and what kind of videos they're watching, then Casper Sky Save Kids is another solid choice here. Now, you get GPS tracking, so you can always check their location, and it even shows you reports of their YouTube activity. That way, you know what kind of content they're consuming without snooping. And the only catch here, it might not be available in every region, so just check if it shows up in your Play Store here. And lastly, we have our last app here, which is going to be Google Family Link, which honestly is probably the easiest one to set up here, especially if your child already has a Google account. Since it's made by Google, it works seamlessly with Android. You can limit screen time, approve or block apps here, track their location, and get alerts if they try to do something sketchy here. It's really great if you want full visibility without making things too complicated. So yeah, between Safe Lagoon, Casper Sky, Save Kids, and Google Family Link, you've got some awesome free options here. Each one has its own strengths. It just depends on whether you care more about location, content filtering, or overall control. Whichever you go with, they'll all help with you guide your child's phone use in a safe and healthy way. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.